Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Math, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, today's video is like super important, okay? And here why is like that? Because I'm going to help you to add or subtract without the help of pen and paper. Literally you can do this orally in your head, okay? But like always, most of you all comment that acha, if that is the case, then why are you taking so long and why is the video so long? Because the video gets long as I need to explain you all the nitty-gritties, okay? And I need to explain you the method to do these things. That's why the video gets long, okay? And also do remember to stick around at the end of the video, because I'm going to do more complicated sums towards the end, okay, once we all get the hang of this particular trick. So now we have what? We have 234 plus 194 minus 299. So when you have something like this, all you have to do is what? You start with the last digit or the units digit, okay, and then do the tens digit, then hundreds, thousands, 10,000, like that, okay? So here your answer will be, see, 4 plus 4 is what? 8. Now 8 minus 9 is not possible. So here we'll carry and make 8 as what? 18. 18 minus 9 is nothing but what? Again, we are left with 9. Okay. Then we have 3 plus 9, which is 12. But we had a carry. So we'll subtract 1 from 12. That is nothing but what? 11. And 11 minus 9 is nothing but what? 2. Then we have 2 plus 1, 3. Now remember, there are no carries involved, so you don't need to subtract anything, okay? So 2 plus 1 is 3, minus 2, your final answer is nothing but 129. You saw how easy this entire trick became, okay? So if you like the way I'm explaining, then please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Also at the end, I'm going to put up a DIY question whose answers you all can mention in the comment section. So now here we have what? 5 plus 1, which is 6. Now 5 plus 1 is 6, and then we have, and you are going to just subtract 8 from it. So again, 6 is what? Greater number. Sorry, smaller number. So we'll make 6 as what? 16. So 16 minus 8 is going to get you just 8. But we have a carry involved, okay? So now this is what? 9 plus 5, 14. 14 minus 1. Why the minus 1? Because there was a carry involved in the previous operation. So that gets you what? 13. 13 minus 6 gets you what? 7. Okay, and now we have 8 plus 2, that is 10. 10 minus 7 gets you 3. So your final answer is 378. I hope you all are getting the hang of these kind of things. Okay, now let's try and work on bigger numbers. So we have what? 6 plus 2, that 8, that is 8. 8 minus 3 is nothing but what? 5. Okay, then we have 3 plus 1, which is 4. 4 minus 6. Now again, see, a carry can come anywhere. In the first two examples, the carry was coming in the units digit, but in this one it is coming in the tens digit. It's absolutely fine when you have something like this, okay? So 3 plus 1 is 4, and here you have to subtract 6. So we'll make the 4 as what? 14. And when you subtract 6 from 14, you're left with what? 8. Now there is a carry involved for the hundreds place. So we have what? 5 plus 5, which is 10. We'll subtract 1 from it. Now here there is nothing to be subtracted, so you don't have to worry, but we'll just subtract the previous one of that carry. So we are left with what? 9. Then we are left with what? 2, and here there is nothing in the thousands place, so we are just left with 2985, and that is your answer for this particular operation. Okay, so now let's try and work this out. So this is what? 4 plus 1, 5, and minus 5. So final answer will have a 0 as the units digit. Then we have 3 plus 7, that is 10. 10 minus 5 is nothing but just 5. Then we have 6 plus 8, that is 14. 14 minus 5 is nothing but 9. Then we have 2 plus 2, 4. 4 minus 2 is nothing but again 2. And then just 1 is supposed to be carried forward. In fact, this was the easiest one. Here, why like that? Because there was no carry involved. But please understand, when you practice this regularly, even if there is a carry involved, your mind will be trained in such a way that it will take it very easily. Okay, and it will give you the correct answer only and only if you practice these kind of tricks. Okay, so here your final answer is nothing but 12950. Now let's look at this one. So we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 3, 2, 1. So now 1 plus 4 gets you 5. 5 minus 1 gets you 4. Then we have 2 plus 3, 5. 5 minus 2 gets you 3. Then 3 plus 2, that gets you 5. 5 minus 3 gets you 2. Okay. Then we have 4 plus 1, which is 5. And then we have just 5. So your final answer is nothing but 5, 5, 2, 3, 4 for this one. See, understand students, for this one you could have done another way as well. See, the units digit over here is, sorry, the last 3 digits over here are 3, 2, 1. And here also the subtraction is nothing but 3, 2, 1. So you could have just completely made this 0, 0, 0. And you could have made this as what? 5, 4, 0, 0. And you could have added this directly. Okay. That also works. See, all these things will come as and when you practice this. Okay, when you play with numbers a lot, they also start speaking to you. They also, when just by looking at it, you will get the way, or you will get the technique of how to solve these kind of questions. Okay. Now this is what? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 minus 9, 8, 7, 6. Again, see, we can do this what? 3, 3, 3, 3 minus 9, 8, 7, 6. You can do this directly. Okay, so 3 minus 6. Again, now if you look over here, 3 is smaller. So 3 will be what? Taken as 13. 13 minus 6 gets you what? 7. Okay, then we have 3 over here. But now it has to be reduced by 1 because there is a carry inward. So we have 12. Sorry, 2. 2, and then that if you subtract by 7, that's not possible. So you'll make that 2 as 12. So 12 minus 7 gets you what? 5. Okay, then similarly again we have a carry inward. So this 3 will not be taken as 3, we'll take 7. So we'll take 2. So then we'll, subtracting 8 is not possible, make it 12. So 12 minus 8 gets you what? 4. Again here also we'll make it 12. Minus 9 gets you 3. And this 3 will not be 3, you will make it what? 2. So the answer is now what? 2, 3, 5, 7. That is your answer for this particular operation. Now like I said, we will do one more. So now if you look closely, all of them we had what? 2 addition and 1 subtraction. Now what happens when there is like what? 2 subtractions involved. Okay, so that also can be done very easily by this particular method. Okay, so 2, 3, 4 plus 7, 8, 6 minus 3, 7, 1, and let's do minus 5, 82. Okay, so final answer over here will be what? 4 plus 6 is 10, minus 1, 9, minus 2 gets you 7. Okay, then we have 3 plus 8, 11. 11 minus 7 gets you how much? 11 minus 7 gets you 4, and then you have to make it 14 because there is a 8 involved. So then there is what? If you make it 14, so 14 subtract by 8, you get you 6. So now we are left with 2 plus 7, that's 9. But you will subtract 1 because you had added a carry in the previous operation. So that is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. Minus 5 is 5. Minus 5 is 0. So final answer is just 67 for this particular operation. So now time for your DIY. You have to let me know what is the answer of 436 plus 281 minus 397. Do let me know your answers in the comment section. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.